Hello, everyone. This is Isabel. It's ITW 2022, and I'm joined by one of the coolest CEO in the industry, an incredible woman, Marisa Trisolino. She's CEO of CMC Networks. Marisa, welcome to my hot seat.
Hi, Isabel. Nice to see you again.
Last time we did an interview, remember? It was in sexy Hawaii.
I hope there'll be a next one next year again.
I hope so. So, Marisa, everyone in the industry is looking to acquire more flexibility, but also, more importantly, all the way to the edge. What's the complexity of making this happen?
Well, I think there's a lot of complexity behind this. And yes, there's definitely a lot of conversation between all the players, all the operators to move their core services as close to the edge as possible for themselves, but also for their customers, right? They are seeking to move 5G voice, IoT compute, all the way to the customer across their footprint, across their network. But this typically should be driving additional revenue streams. Now, by doing something like that, the customer, the enterprise customer, especially if they're going through their digital transformation themselves, they're looking for more flexibility. So they're looking for everything to be on demand. All the services I just mentioned, they want these to be on demand. Now, that drives additional layer of complexity for the players like us because we have to find a flexible service model that can support these changes and these requirements. And the technologies are complex. You know, you're looking at NFVs, network functions, you're looking at compute platforms that support OSS, BSS, you're looking at billing automation. And players like us or operators and carriers, they need to integrate all of this together. And by considering the different technologies, considering the different vendors that you have to integrate, it adds layers and layers of complexity, and it can be drive a really big financial impact if it's not done correctly for the customers and for the players itself.
So, Marisa, you're the CEO of CMC Network. How does CMC Networks empower flexibility for its customer?
Well, CMC Networks, most importantly, and I believe everybody knows this, our entire network is SDN enabled, and we've also adopted NFVs in our network, in our footprint. So these are two key building blocks for automation and flexibility. So we've just recently launched Flexedge, and Flexedge is an innovative solution which drives flexibility. By deploying UCPEs, we can implement rapid VNFs on any of CMC's infrastructure. So our customers can select any VNF that we have today, which could be Cisco, it can be Fortinet, it can be Juniper, or our customers can bring their own VNF license model, and we can support them on any of CMC's infrastructure equipment that we have today.
So what else does Flexedge enable?
Flexedge drives, apart from the flexibility and the innovation, because there's this tremendous shortage from a supply chain perspective, from semiconductors, which has hit the automation, different vertical markets in a very, very big way. This Flexedge solution that we have here is going to circumvent the issue from the shortage of the equipment. Not only are we helping our customers implement their circuits and their services in a faster manner, but we can also help an easier management of Type A approvals and also management of all the edge equipment. So the innovation behind flexibility is fantastic. I think the way we work at CMC, speed is the current currency, and we really, really drive towards that. And what we are really, really proud of is that Flexedge can be used in any of the locations that we support our customers in 51 countries in Africa and 12 countries in the Middle East.
Well, that's very impressive. Congratulations. I'm sure you've been working hard on that project.
The team has been doing a phenomenal job.
Marisa, it's always lovely to talk to you. You know you're one of my favorites. We need more CEO and more women like you in our industry. So keep going, keep inspiring all of us, and keep up the good work.
Thank you for your time. Thank you, Isabel.